So we're here at, where are we? I don't know where we are. Ting-along, tong-along. Ting-a-lang, tong. Who's missing? Where's Rob?
Rob didn't come.
Oh, didn't Rob come? Oh. I thought he was coming.
He was.
Because his arm's sore.
And he's like, yeah, I'm just going to rest his arm.
Oh well. So these little markets in Ting-along, long waterfall. Hello! Zero, bing tang, zero? No zero. Bloody coffee, yeah. So, here's what this is. Welcome to Ting-along, long waterfall. So that's what we're walking down to.
Is it only here? I agree.
Oh, look at that. That's quite spectacular. Ellie, do you enjoy what your photo taken in a minute after these people?
Oh, sorry.
Emily and Jade. Next to the lovely waterfall there in the background. Quite stunning. Wow. Kelly? Where's Kelly Cole? Can I get your photo? Oh, look at that bridge up there. Wow, look at that bridge. Go on, Kelly. Is Kelly Coley going down for a photograph?
Oh, and then with you, Kelly?
Yeah.
Get in there?
No, I'm alright. I might do in a minute. There's Emily and Ellie and Laura. And in the background, you see a beautiful waterfall. Okay, I've done the photo, I've done a little video, and up there's a bridge. Hopefully we can walk along that, it'd be nice. There's Coley, and then just behind her, there's a beautiful waterfall. Just get the other waterfall behind you, Kelly. Look at that, and that's where Kelly's sat, overlooking the waterfall.
Stay there for 1 minute, Carl. Let me see.
In the background. Yeah, it's lovely. There's a little dot there, it's down there. Diane doing a video. Hello, Di. Paddy there. We're on the oh shit, this is big old steps. Paddy went the way down. Bird nest people. Vicky and Jan. They're in the bird nest, which is overlooking the falls and a beautiful resort down there. Let's go up there. Vicky and Jan just been the bird's nest. Bit of a walk down. So there's the waterfall rules, you can read them. Down there. Beautiful place. Little rapids coming around from the waterfall. This is Coley, Laura and Paddy. Side pad up there, somewhere. Oh, Paddy waving. Down with them. Have a look in the waterfall. Bye bye! Bye! Oh! Little video, there's Kelly and Jan in front of the waterfall. What a beautiful waterfall.
My breakfast.
Oh, yeah. Kelly wasn't there. Sam and Vic. They were looking, having a look at the waterfall. Nice, Sam? Nice, Vic, eh? Selma, Diane. Coley, I'll look after your bag. Bring your bag here, I'll look after it. Oh, Jade's going on the swing. Hang on, my love. Wow. Laura, Kelly, Emily. And there's Paddy right in the middle there. What an amazing waterfall. Laura, Sam Coley. Wow. Sam, all right? I'll take a couple. Make some video, not video, make some waterfall. Yeah, right, I will. Young Troy, suppose. Young Vicky. Laura Coley, Emily. Where's, oh, there she is. And there's young Ellie, right next to the waterfall. So there's Kelly Coley, the waterfall, big waterfall behind. that. Best waterfall you've been in, Kelly, isn't it? Yeah. Well done, good girl. So, definitely quite an impressive place.